Hello everyone and welcome back to Taste from Home. Today we're gonna discover a special and delicious Korean dish, Tteokguk, I hope I pronounced that right, or Korean rice cake soup. This hearty and filling soup is traditionally served in the first day of the Lunar New Year, which is one of the most important holidays in Korea. By having a clear broth soup, people hope for a fresh start for a new year and also for luck and prosperity because the dish-shaped rice cakes resembles a lot to coins. So what is the secret behind this lovely dish? Let's find out with me in this video. First one, we'll need the dish-shaped rice cakes. You can find these really easily in your local Korean store. If you can find them, slightly freeze the usual long rice cakes and thinly slice them. For 2 to 3 portions, so 300 to 350 grams rice cakes in fresh water for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften. Next step, we'll prepare our broth. Gently put 300 grams beef in a pot, then cover with 1.5 liter fresh water. To add more depth and flavors to the broth, add in 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 scallions, only use the white parts. I will also add in a cup of ginger slice for that warm, hearty flavor and half an onion. Add a pinch of salt and bring the broth to a boil. During the cooking process, occasionally skim off the fat on the surface to have a clear broth. We reduce the heat and cook the beef for about 1 to 1.5 hours until tender. When the beef is ready, remove the onion, ginger, garlic since they have accomplished their job for the broth. We'll also transfer the beef to a plate, keep warm and slice them later. Season the broth with soy sauce and salt to your liking. Then drain and transfer the rice cake into the pot. Our rice cake will be fully cooked in around 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure that you keep an eye on them, otherwise they will turn a little mushy. While waiting for the rice cake to be cooked, we'll separate an egg, gently whip the egg white and nicely pour it in the soup broth. Using a pair of chopsticks, stir in circular motions so that the egg white is beautifully distributed in the broth. For the toppings, first one, nicely whip the egg yolk that we have separated earlier. Heat a small pan over medium-high heat and add a little bit of vegetable oil, then slowly pour in the mixed yolk. Nicely tilt it so we can have a thin layer of egg yolk. When one side is cooked, using a spatula, flip and cook the other side for a further 30 seconds. Transfer the fried egg yolk to a cutting board, gently roll it up and slice into thin strips. Set aside and keep warm. For cooked beef, we'll also slice it into thin strips as well. At this stage, the meat is really tender and would be a perfect topping for our rice cake soup. To add more flavors to the beef, we'll put in 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon sesame oil, sprinkle with a pinch of black pepper and toss everything together until well combined. To serve, ladle our rice cake soup into bowls and garnish with chopped green onions. Then top up with a couple of marinated beef slices. Don't forget the egg strips and crushed roast seaweed for a gorgeous and mouth-watering bowl of soup. I hope you all have a great time watching this video and you will enjoy this Korean rice cake soup, Tteokguk, as much as I did. If you recreate this one at home, make sure you snap some photos and share them with me using the hashtag #TasteFromHome. I would love to see your creations. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious food. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Good luck and bon appetit! Mwah!